Shandong Weima Pumps Manufacturing Company Limited is a public company which specialized in R&D for oil and gas lifting equipment and technology services. As the national new and high-technology enterprise, Weima Pumps filled up the industry blank with a number of patented technologies. The various products independently developed by Weima have been widely applied in CNPC, Sinopec, CNOOC, Yanchang Oilfield, and etc. Besides, it has established long-term cooperation relationship with tens of international oil companies including PDO, ONGC, PetroChina, DNOW, Chevron, and etc. Since 2004, Weima Pumps has focused on the new technology research of rodless oil production with more than 10 years working, combining the research and development strength from various aspects. It accumulated a number of patented technologies. Until now, there were 5 kinds of rodless oil production equipment that have been used and popularized in oil fields. This technology, due to the major breakthrough in power source, working machine structure, energy transfer, power control, and etc., capture wide social attention and supports. Breakthrough on device power source. Adopt new power source equipment such as permanent magnet linear motor, permanent magnet submersible motor, hydraulic drive propeller, high-pressure air source device, and etc. to replace the traditional ground motor drive. To embed the power source into the well, directly drive the machine to extract oil, and this technology will reduce the investment of equipment and decrease the maintenance expense, save occupied area, so as to improve the energy efficiency. Breakthrough on working machine structure. The working machine adapts to the power machine better and matches well with it, such as upper fixed standing valve of plunger pump, optimize the structure design of electric submersible direct drive progressive cavity pump, reduce operating torque, and meet the demand of head and displacement. Breakthrough on energy transfer route. Energy is transferred through submersible cable and continuous stainless steel hose, so the power source drive the machine extract oil directly, and the equipment has the advantages that low energy consumption, lower loss, small investment for equipment, no abrasion between rod and tubing. Breakthrough on power control method. Adopt the remote wireless control system and working fluid level automatic monitoring system. Transfer the operating status of equipment and data of working fluid level to the control center through the network. The control center can automatically adjust the parameters and remote control according to the data feedback. The group well control function of the hydraulic drive and gas lifting equipment can apply the same control center to control the wells with the same well condition that in the same block, which can realize one control center control multi-wells, so that to significantly improve working efficiency and energy conservation. The hydraulic drive rodless oil production outfit is mainly composed of electric control system, liquid control system, continuous stainless steel hose, a special plunger, hydraulic drive propeller. The electric control system controls the liquid control system to produce the alternate high-pressure oil, which is transferred to the hydraulic drive propeller through a continuous stainless steel hose. The oil is lifted to the ground pipelines by the reciprocating of plunger pump, which is motivated by hydraulic propeller, and the ground is safety, environmental protection, and without pollution. Meanwhile, through the group well control function of 1 for 3, 1 for 4, greatly decrease the cost of oil production equipment. It is applicable for oil lifting from the low yield, low permeability wells such as vertical well, inclined shaft, horizontal well, cluster well, and etc. Reciprocating submersible plunger pump oil production outfit is mainly composed of permanent magnet linear motor, submersible cable, control cabinet, and sucker rod pump. Firstly, the control cabinet rectifies the dynamic electricity and then inverts to AC power needed by the submersible linear motor, transfer the electric power into the well through a cable, and then drive the linear motor for reciprocating movement. The oil is lifted to the ground by the reciprocating plunger, which motivated by the rotor of linear motor. The control cabinet is equipped with remote wireless control system and working fluid level automatic monitoring system, and the data of equipment operation and working fluid level is transferred to the control center by the GPRS wireless network communication technology. The control center is able to realize the online adjustment control according to the data received, and so that to keep the best operation status from the whole set of equipment. This equipment is applicable for the complicated wells such as shale gas well drainage and gas recovery, cobalt methane well drainage and gas recovery, and etc. Submersible directed drive screw pump oil production outfit is mainly composed of permanent magnet submersible motor and its protector thrust short circuit, flexible shaft, screw pump, control cabinet, submersible cable, and etc. The whole equipment is started by the ground control system, and after start, the electric power will be transferred into the downhole through a submersible cable, and then drive the permanent magnet synchronous submersible motor to rotate, and then drive the screw pump to rotate so as to lift the oil. This equipment, adopting of permanent magnet material, has the features of slow speed of revolution and a large torque. Thus, to direct drive the screw pump operate without the speed reducer, it can increase the service life as well as save energy. It is able to work with high efficiency in CBM well, inclined shaft, horizontal well, and etc. Forcing gas lifting oil production outfit. Forcing gas lifting oil production outfit is composed of 4 parts: high pressure air source device, control cabinet, gas piping, and oil extracting device. After the equipment is started, the high pressure gas source device will produce high pressure gas. When it was forced to drain the liquid, the high pressure air will enter into the oil extracting device under the well through the gas piping, and then to the lift of the oil. After the liquid oil is discharged, the high pressure air will be discharged from another well or air processing device through the gas piping, and such cycling will lift the oil to the ground from the well. This equipment with simple structured oil production device and high pressure gas is in closed cycle, out of touch with the gas, under the well, and it is safe, environmental, and reliable, adopting the control of one source of multi-wells. Submersible screw pump oil production outfit is composed of submersible motor and its protector, speed reducer, and its protector, flexible shaft, screw pump, control cabinet, cable, and etc. After powered on through the ground control system, the equipment will drive the submersible motor to rotate through the submersible cable. After the motor reduces the rotation speed through the reducer according to the certain ratio, it will drive the screw pump to rotate so as to lift the oil. Establishing the industry benchmark and creating the international brand, Weima is striding forward to the great target of create the world, first a brand of rodless oil production equipment.